Thank you, Judy, for providing a reference photo of military working dog Zeus L667 IED patrol dog. Zeus served 8 years in Osan Air Base in South Korea, detecting IEDs and doing patrol work. Roger Martin was one of his handlers and loved him. Roger couldn't adopt Zeus as his children are highly allergic to dogs. Judy had this to say about MWD Zeus. Zeus is a sneaky French fry bandit. MWD Zeus is very gentle, outgoing, lover of all people. He wants to be a Walmart greeter. He loves children and especially babies best. He worked the Petco fundraiser and never got tired of greeting and loving on everyone. I wouldn't let him lick one of the baby's faces, so he licked its shoes instead. He lives with 5 cats and has one in particular that he trusts. Our tiny orange cat, who is 8 years old and weighs 8 pounds. He looks like a kitten. He is very mild-mannered till he thinks I'm threatened. Then he brings the big dog personality out. But mostly he's happy, loving, and fun. He has made my life just perfect again. Judy also had this to say about Mission Canine Rescue. I have adopted one contract working dog from them, CWD Nero. And before that, I adopted MWD Jukon, November 368. Mission Canine Rescue is rescue done right. Dogs first, handlers first. Thank you, Judy, for adopting MWD Zeus, CWD Nero, and MWD Jukon. And thank you, MWD Zeus, CWD Nero, and MWD Jukon, for your service.